Alright, part 5, yeah? Let's do this shit. Honk the screen, motherfucker!
Different corner.
Now follow me, we're going to another corner. Come on, bitches! Honk the screen! Honk the horn! Nah, fuck you, bitch. Fuck you. Yeah, buddy! Yeah, buddy! That's what I'm saying. Honk the screen! Come on, bitch! No, fuck you, bitch. Check us out on YouTube, bitches! Alright, let's just walk down to the other corner, fuck it. Alright, this makes my voice sound gay. That's not at all what it really sounds like, by the way. Hate damn electronics. Oh shit. I might as well get a couple more people. God damn mask. Is it on me? Why are these cars so damn loud? My glasses got all foggy. By the way, everybody, I got glasses. Shit. Sorry. Oh wait, what was I about to say? Oh, somebody's looking at us.
Where?
Somebody just popped out one of the windows up there. In the house. Honk the screen, goddammit! It smells like burning rubber in here.
Ow.
What?
Do you guys smell that? No, you don't. Because
No.
we're recording.
I smell like, I think it's coming from my asshole. Joking.
Maybe it is.
Honk your horn for screen! Come on! Honk your horn!
Your hair is like hanging out in the very back.
Oh shit. Oh, why didn't you tell me earlier?
It's alright, it don't matter.
Yes. I bet this doesn't look any better, does it?
Yeah,
Leave your comment and tell me, huh? How about that? Remember, look in the upper, I think it's either left or right screen, of part of the screen, yeah? Do that and do what it says, or else I'm coming for you next, bitch. Come on, nigga! Alright.
See, look, we went to a different corner because there's construction going on over here.
And your mom said I would freeze. Hey, you come here often, baby? I can come whenever I want. I'm deaf, bitch. You know you love it. Come over here, buddy.
We went out of focus.
Come here.
It's
Come
out
here
of
often?
focus right now.
It's okay.
Okay, now it's back.
People love me. Honk the screen, motherfucker! Honk the screen!
Comment or message us if you want Michael Myers, because we're going to try to find the Michael Myers mask. And we'll have Honk for Michael Myers.
Oh yeah, bitches.
That doesn't mean we're going to stop Honk for screen.
Hey, look down. Alright. Honk your horn, motherfucker! More swearing? Yes, no. Leave your goddamn comment. Tell me. I mean, you guys pick like everything, bro. Don't be spoiled. What was that, Michael? Oh yeah, by the way, Carlton Hutchison, little shout out to you. We're coming for you, bitch. Alright, stand scene.